Good afternoon, salam alaikum, peace be with you, and all of that jazz. From beautiful Muscat, the capital city of the Sultanate of Oman. Now we're actually on our way back to Southeast Asia. We've stopped here, it's about exactly halfway to be honest, between London and Bangkok. We've got a few hours to look around, so let's go and explore. Now this is my first time in the Middle East, unless you count Turkey, which most people wouldn't. Feby lives essentially down the road from here. She normally lives in the UAE, which is a country that borders Oman. Now the first thing I've noticed as we've entered the Mutrah Fort is everything's kind of pricey here. It's cost us 13 quid to walk up here and have a look around. 6.6 in the local currency. Not as cheap as the destination we're heading to next, let's put it that way. A few cannons laying around up here. This guy next to me is from the same place I am, it's an English cannon. Not really a lot of context as to why they're here, maybe there's a historical purpose, but there's a French one down there as well somewhere. As you can see, we've got a lot of cruise ships in the distance there. There is a few tourists walking around. Bizarrely, there seems to be quite a lot of Italians. If anyone can explain that, leave a comment. Okay, we've made it to the top. Got some pretty stunning views up here. Is it worth £6.50 each? Probably not, considering what £6.50 can buy us in a couple of days' time in Thailand. But nevertheless, it's a nice experience, nice views. Let's go and grab some food. For lunch I had biryani, which is an Arabic version of the Indian dish that shares the same name. Feby had mandi, which was a spiced chicken dish cooked in a traditional pit. Lunch done, the restaurant we went in was called Royal House. There was some rowdy Italians in there, which is why I did the voiceover gimmick. They were pretty loud. We're now going to go and grab some juice for dessert. Let's go. Okay, we've stopped somewhere called Juice World, which Feby knows from Dubai. I've ordered a melon juice, it looked like honeydew melon. What did you get?
Avocado.
Avocado, no surprises there, she does love avocado. Okay, well the sun is already starting to drop down. We are heading off pretty early tomorrow, so we won't stay out late tonight, but the obvious thing I think to do now is to head into the Souq, or bazaar, whatever you want to call it. A nice old historic market. I don't really intend to buy anything because everything seems quite expensive here, but we'll see, you never know. Let's get in there. Okay, the first thing we see, some nice Gucci and Burberry scarves here, made out of cashmere apparently. I'm not in the market for a scarf because it's already quite hot for me, but we'll keep on walking this time. At the minute it's looking very touristy and not very authentic, I have to be honest. We've got some Cristiano Ronaldo shirts up there.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Ronaldo? Ronaldo or Messi? Ronaldo. Souq! In the market for some more perfume, Feby? No, we don't need any more perfume. No more perfume, no more bags, no more clothes. So it kind of rules out buying most of the stuff in here, but we'll enjoy our walk through nonetheless. Got the evil eye out there. see some quick, strange cuts. I'm not sure how much people enjoy being filmed necessarily, so I might just drop the camera down if I think they're not appreciating it being shoved in their face. Not everyone is as stupid as me to look in a camera and talk, walking through a crowd of people like this. What are we looking for, Febby? Some people are quite happy to be on camera. Louis Vuitton bags. They've got it all. They've got it all, baby. Sorry, brother. Spice. This smells good.
Abbiamo una collezione di cammelli.
Okay, well, turns out the old Souq, the market, it wasn't that big. We've got around it already. We did buy a little bit of soap made out of camel milk, and I seem to have made a new friend already. I can't speak Arabic or cat, but I believe he may well be asking me to buy him some doner kebab from the shop behind. Not going to happen in this currency, mate, I'm afraid. Bit too pricey here for that. We have just remembered something else that we can buy. We're going to try and find some local candy or sweets to eat on the plane tomorrow on the way to Bangkok. So back into the market, let's do some deals. We went for the healthy option instead of candy. We've got the old dried kiwis. I grew to like these in Istanbul a couple of years ago, and I haven't really found decent ones since, so these fit the bill. Something to eat on the plane tomorrow.
I'm not gonna buy something.
Update, we're buying perfume. Like we said we wouldn't do. Which one? That's going to be it from Oman. Bit of a random video. We did what we could with the short time we had. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel adventures, and we'll see you back in Thailand.